Are you trying to register your medical devices in Mexico? We have the perfect solution for you. With offices in Mexico and a local team of regulatory professionals, Global Regulatory Partners can handle all your regulatory, quality, clinical, and pharmacovigilance needs. In Mexico, all imported and domestic medical devices are regulated by the local health authority, the Federal Commission for Protection Against Health Risks, known as Cofepris. As a foreign medical device company, you need first to appoint a Mexican registration holder, MRH, that will handle all your products' registration and communication with Cofepris on your behalf. In Mexico, Global Regulatory Partners is authorized by Cofepris and can be your Mexican registration holder and perform the following activities for you. Step 1. Classification of your medical device. We will determine the classification of your medical device according to the Mexican General Health Law Articles 179, 180, and 184. Cofepris classifies medical devices into 3 categories based on their risk to the patient: Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3. Step 2. Determine the registration pathway for your medical device. Based on your medical device classification, we will recommend the fastest and most efficient pathway for the registration of your device. In Mexico, there are 2 registration pathways for imported devices: the equivalence pathway and standard pathway. Equivalence pathway can be used only for medical devices that are already registered in the USA, Canada, or Japan. This significantly shortens product evaluation and approval. Standard pathway can be used in the other cases. Please note that all documents must be submitted to Cofepris in Spanish. A registration fee must be paid to Cofepris before they start the review of your application. Step 3. Acquire GMP certificates. Cofepris will issue a GMP certificate based on your ISO 13485 certificate or CE marking. Step 4. Prepare and submit the registration dossier to Cofepris or notified body. The content of the registration dossier contains an application form, a free sale certificate issued by the country of origin, a GMP certificate issued by an authority of the country of origin, a certificate of analysis from the manufacturer, and an abbreviated technical file. For Class 1 and Class 2 medical devices, the dossier can be sent to a Cofepris-approved third party known as a notified body for review. This will expedite the review process, but you need to pay them a fee. For Class 3 medical devices, the dossier is sent to Cofepris for review. In general, the Cofepris review timelines are 30 days for a Class 1 device, 35 days for a Class 2 device, and 60 days for a Class 3 device. Step 5. Receive Cofepris approval. Once Cofepris makes its final decision, they publish the medical device sanitary license on their webpage. We have a proven 100% success rate in handling the registration process of medical devices in Mexico. Contact us today at info@globalregulatorypartners.com. Global Regulatory Partners, committed to your success in Mexico.